Good afternoon, everybody. We are at Paris, Ontario, on the old Lake Erie Northern line that used to go to Brantford from Paris and from Cambridge. Right now, I'm standing on the old right-of-way, and if you look down, you'll see where the old station road is. Never been torn up, so it's all still original, left in place. The station would have been farther down, and this is all that remains. It's turned into a trail. When we go down farther, you'll see the LE&N bridge and where the station used to be. So currently, right now, I'm standing on the old road that came up to the station and of course came down to a point, a turnaround point, went back. So we'll walk down the old station road. Here's another look of the road going west. I'll pan over, and as you can see, it's a pretty good drop. It's pretty high up here. Straight down is looking towards downtown Paris. This right here, the cement pad that you see right here, would have been, I presume, a tool shed along the Lake Erie Northern for the guys that were doing track maintenance and such. So we're now at the location of where the station would have been on the Lake Erie Northern. As you can see, the CN Dundas sub crosses over. At one time, you would have seen a lot of steam locomotives and diesels pass over motor freights and interurbans. If you want to see the last interurban on the Lake Erie Northern, go to the Halton County Railway Museum and see 797. And here's a better view of the Dundas sub crossing overhead the old Lake Erie Northern right away. So hope you enjoy. We'll get some more pics here. So this road right here is not the original road that came up. The original road that we were on is over by where that van is sitting, and you go down, which used to be the original road that used to come up for the station at one time. So at one time there would have been a crossing here for the cemetery up there. And this all would have been dirt at one time, including this road for the cemetery. Obviously, it was paved at some point. I don't see a build date on this, the bridge abutment, so it was probably built in the 1960s, if I had to guess. I'll try to find a date, but yeah. As you can see, it's pretty cool under here. It's pretty dark. But this will end our video for today. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, and check out more of my videos. Thanks again.